Hey everyone, welcome back to MobilesTalk. Today we're covering the brand new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Officially launched March 11, 2026, just 2 days ago. Samsung's most powerful flagship yet. Let's break down every detail. The S26 Ultra gets a refined armor aluminum frame with rounded ergonomic corners. Slimmer at just 7.2mm and lighter at 214 grams. Available in black, white, sky blue and cobalt violet with exclusive silver shadow and pink gold on Samsung.com. Quick honest note, I don't have a physical unit. All info is from official verified sources. For paid reviews or collaborations, email us at the Gmail in the description. Under the hood sits the blazing Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy, world's fastest mobile chip right now. Base packs 12GB RAM. Top configs go up to 16GB RAM with 1TB storage. Gaming, multitasking, AI, all buttery smooth. The 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X runs at 120Hz with QHD Plus resolution and 2600 nits peak brightness. Plus the world's first ever built-in privacy display on a mobile phone. Nobody can peek at your screen from the side. If this breakdown is helping, hit subscribe and tap the bell right now. Honest mobile coverage every week on MobilesTalk. Join the family. Camera is an absolute beast, 200MP main sensor with f/1.4 aperture capturing 47% more light than before. Plus 50MP ultra-wide, 10MP 3x telephoto, and 50MP periscope 5x zoom. Video gets super steady mode with real-time Euro data for silky smooth footage. A massive 5000 mAh battery keeps you going all day. First time ever on a Galaxy Ultra. 60W wired fast charging hit 75% in just 30 minutes. Plus 25W wireless and reverse wireless charging included. Starting at $1,299 for 256GB, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is an absolute powerhouse. On S23 Ultra or older, this is a massive upgrade. S25 Ultra users, the privacy display and 60W charging might just convince you. Drop your thoughts below, backend index pointing down, like, share and subscribe to MobilesTalk every week.